To save your files in PowerPoint, you have different ways. For example, you can save them from quick access button or click on File, choose Save or Save As. If you have already saved your file, you can overwrite the change by clicking the Save, and all changes will be overwritten on the previous file. Or if you like to create a new file, you can choose File, Save As, and you can save it with different name in a new location. For example, I will save it with PowerPoint 2 presentation on my desktop. If you need the newer version of PowerPoint, choose this option, or if you like to support older version of PowerPoint, you can choose PowerPoint 9720 presentation. Click Save, and you have a new file in your desktop.